So over here you can see that I have a video clip on my Filmora timeline, and now let's see how we can use color presets to change out the look of the footage. So in order to do that, I'm just going to double click on this, and then I'm going to click on advanced right here. Once I do that, you can see that presets open up, and you can go around and see different presets. As you can see, you can go to custom presets. So if you have any custom preset, you'll see it here. If you have any favorite preset, you'll see it here, film preset, and there's vignette presets and so forth. Once you click on it, you can see that you can just apply that out right here, just like that. And then over here, you can see that you can enable and disable. You can see the before and after by clicking on this icon right here. You can click on this to undo that out as well. So let's just go around, and I'm going to go around onto another type of preset right here. Let's say cool preset. Click on this. You can see that you can see the before and after. If I were to click on compare before and after, I have different comparison options like side-by-side view right here, as you can see. So this is the before and this is the after. You got split view, that is left and right, as you can see. So this is the before, after, and then you have split view on top and bottom as well. So you can see how much change there is onto the preset that you have applied. And that's how you can use color presets inside of Filmora. And to apply it, you can just press OK. So we guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.